Hi guys, I'm Tiana Michelle and welcome back. In today's video, I will be doing my blowout routine using the Afro Sheen Fro Out Blowout Spray. I've already washed and deep conditioned my hair, so it's damp and it's split into 4 sections and ready to go. I will also leave a link in the description box of the blow dryer I use and any other tools throughout this video. I just took the first section of hair down so I can apply the blowout spray all throughout my hair. Then I would take my fingers and make sure that I ran it all the way through, and then I'll go in as well with my Denman brush to make sure that everything is nice and detangled. When I do my blowouts, I like to use medium heat on high speed. I don't like to use super hot heat when blow drying my hair because it burns my fingers and my scalp and it's just not comfortable, and you don't need that to get a good blowout. So that is the heat and speed that I use. And I also like to do the tension method for the majority of my styling routine. So I will take my Denman brush or my hands and stretch my hair out and point the blow dryer downwards. And I just continue doing this until I feel like my hair is stretched out enough before I go on to my next steps. And my hair is pretty thick, so after I do the tension method, I like to split my hair into a subsection, and then I will take my straightening brush that I like to use both when straightening my hair and doing blowouts, and I will clamp it down just to make sure my hair is getting fully stretched out, especially at my ends. And I will just run the blow dryer down my hair one more time on that section. And these are the same steps that I repeat throughout my entire blowout routine. And this method gives me great results without using too much heat. So y'all, that is only the first half of the first section of my hair. So we're not even done with the first section yet, but yeah, I'm just going to continue showing a few more clips and then I'm going to skip ahead, or else you guys will be here for a long time. Not gonna lie, once I finish with that first section of hair, I be feeling like I'm about to pass out. I'd be so exhausted, but I skipped ahead. So this is what the first half of my hair looks, and this is what the third section of my hair looks like. So I did not skip through this last section because I wanted to show you guys the differences between the back of my hair and the front of my hair. Let me tell y'all about my hair's texture. So the back of my hair is very tight. It's a lot tighter, the curl pattern is so much tighter than the front, but it's not as densely packed. So it's easier to style when it comes to blow drying and straightening, doing braid outs, doing wash and goes, pretty much anything. I get through that section of my hair, the back of my head, so much quicker because the front, although it's naturally looser in texture, the density of my hair up front is just so thick. My strands, and they're just so densely packed that I have a lot of hair in the front of my head. So I have to do my routine a bit different when it comes to doing my blowouts once I get to the front section of my hair. So although I repeat the same steps of doing the tension method and then going back in with my straightening brush to pull it all through, I do have to work in much smaller sections. I start off initially by creating a subsection, and then after that, by the time I'm done, I probably have split my hair into 4 to 7 sections just in that front quadrant of my head to get everything nice and blown out without it taking forever. So about an hour and 15 minutes later, here are my final results. My hair is so nice and full, especially since I did a mini cut a few months ago. Y'all don't hang on to, wait a minute. Not her pretending that her hair is waist length. Okay, sorry, I got distracted, but y'all don't hang on to dead ends, let them go. You will see so many benefits when you keep up with your trims. But I am gonna end my video here. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Also remember that your support helps me out so much more than you know, especially as a smaller and newer channel. If you didn't already subscribe, I'm gonna leave that button right up here for you, and I will see you all next Friday. Bye-bye.